Means the I am means that God exists. He is current, right? He is alive. He didn't say, tell them I was that I was is sending you. Okay? He said, I am that I am is sending you. Number two, it tells us that God is eternal. He's outside of time, right? He was the same forever. He never changes. He was the same in the past, present, future. Never changes. He's eternal. And number three is God is truth, okay? He's not saying, I am what you want me to be. He's sending you. He's not saying, where's my little place now? I wrote this thing about ek is so die mekaar om hierdie al hierdie goed is te sê. I wrote so many notes. God goes and he says, I'm my own character, right? And what people try and do today is they try and change God in their image. Yeah, I mean, you've heard it often. People say, I like to imagine God as, this life force in a tree and that is this all through the crystals and, that's God. And I think of God as this man in heaven that does this, but he's just, and kind of that's what we constantly do, right? And so the thing is just you're just guessing and you're just making things up. And that's not what matters. God says it doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter. I am that I am. What matters is what I am. That is what matters. So you don't have to be afraid. Okay? And so these three things are really enormous